Alright guys, so how's everyone doing? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It is what time is it? This is 3 o'clock today. So I was I woke up this morning planning to go out to shoot today, but then it started raining. Well, it started drizzling, and then it was just kind of like a cloudy day, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna go out, but then I just had to push through and make sure that I shoot something today. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go to Times Square, which is actually right there. I'm gonna show you, just point it out. It's somewhere in the distance there. So it's a cloudy day today. It was supposed to rain, but it hasn't rained yet. It's just like drizzling a little bit. So today I'm with my friend Gerald. He's gonna help me out with this video. Just wanted to make the intro here. I'm currently on the way to Times Square, Suzhou. It's not like the Times Square you probably know, which is in New York, but then this is like supposed to be like the version of Times Square in China or in Suzhou. I'm not sure. So that's the location we're going to. I'm gonna go there, take some photos, take some videos, and show you how the place is. Just talk a little bit about it, and I'll also try to fly my drone and take some aerial shots and videos of the place, but then fingers crossed because it's a bit rainy, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but I'm just gonna wing it, hope for the best, and yeah, stick around guys. Alright guys, so behind me is the Times Square area. So just arrived right now. It's still raining. So far it looks like there's lots of people walking around. I'm gonna try to do like a little bit of street photography, but the thing is, like, even if it's raining, it's also a different experience. So that's why I'm still pushing through. That's why I'm still making this video, because it's a different look. You know, when it's sunny and bright, then you can have a different feel to the Times Square, but then right now it's raining, so you're gonna see like more people with umbrellas and covering and something for the e-bikes. So just want to capture the feel of that kind of thing right now. So that's the plan right now. So I'm just gonna keep pushing through and show you guys more of the place. So you guys have probably seen this building in my previous videos, but then this is it up close. This is like the tallest building in Suzhou. Alright guys, so if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. It's still raining. We're just like packing our things up and leaving right now, but then I'm happy with the outcome of today's shoot. More videos coming. I'll keep the content coming. I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.